Hello and welcome back, friends. And this is the second part of this video series in which I show you how to fix an external hard disk drive as an internal hard disk drive in your laptop with replacing the optical drive, which we don't need. Okay, so if you have not watched the first part of this video, then go check the first part of that video. I will give the link in the description below, so you can check it out, how to remove the hard disk from an external hard disk drive. Okay, so in this part I am going to show you how to connect that hard disk which I have removed from the external hard disk drive into the optical bay. So for that you will need an hard disk Caddy. This you can buy from any online shop like Amazon or Flipkart. I will give the link in the description below, you can check it out. So you need to first measure the thickness of your optical drive bay, so I will show you in a moment, and then you can purchase it by seeing the size of the thickness of the optical bay and the hard disk Caddy. So this you can purchase it around 280 or 350 rupees. It's very nominal charge. So let's get going and let me show you how to do the whole process. So this is my laptop. I'm going to install it in this laptop. First I will open up this optical drive which I don't need now. So as you can see, this is the optical drive, and I will install the hard disk which I have removed from the external drive and put it here using the hard disk Caddy. So to remove this optical drive, you need to open up this screw. You can see there is a symbol marked here. So you use a Phillips screwdriver and slowly slide it out. Don't pull it too hard, it may break something inside. Slowly and patiently you have to do this thing. So you can see this is the optical drive which I am going to keep it for any future projects. So this is a SATA connector inside, you can see, and we are going to use this clip. So for buying the hard disk Caddy, you need to know the measurement of the thickness of this optical drive for your laptop model. So this is approximately 9 mm, 9 to 9.5. So this you can search for in online stores to buy the new one. So as you can see, this I have bought it from Flipkart. So this is the hard disk Caddy. This is for 9.5 to 9 mm thickness. So this is well built and good packaging, and some instructions are given how to install this. So we have a Phillips screwdriver here which is provided for opening or screwing some things, and these are the 4 screws which we will use to secure the hard disk with the bay. And you will need this external hard disk or any solid state drives. So you can see this is the SATA connector which is used to connect the hard disk inside. So it is exactly the same. You can match it. So we'll slide it slowly into the port and lock it in place, and use these 4 screws to secure the hard disk to the chassis so that it does not move or get any shock. Now to remove the optical drive, and from here we have to remove this screw, you can see, and the SATA port also you can match it, it is exactly same. Since this is universal, it can be fit into any type of laptop model into the optical drive, and this screw you need to replace. Since in the hard disk caddy it is not provided, so we need to remove it from the original optical drive and screw it here. So this is done. Next we need to remove the front panel. So there is a locking mechanism, if you push it, it will come right off. So this comes right off, you can use it somewhere else, so I will keep it elsewhere. And the optical drive also, you need to remove this front panel because it matches with the body color of the laptop, and we need to place it onto the hard disk caddy. So this is a universal slot, so it will fit right in and it will not come off. Now you have to slowly put it inside the case of the laptop and don't push it too hard, and you will see it will easily go in. And also you need to make sure that the screw holder that you placed onto the hard disk caddy goes into the groove of the screw. So here you can see it is moving inside and it is in place. So now you can use the screw of the optical drive to lock it. So this is done. You can see this is well fit, and you cannot recognize whether this is an optical drive or an internal hard drive. So let's check the BIOS. So go into the boot menu, and you can see that the hard disk is recognized. Here you can see this is the second hard drive which I have installed now. This is a 500 GB CCAT. So this is recognized. So yeah, it's working. Let's boot into Windows and check. So open up disk manager. Here you can see disk 0 is the internal main hard drive where Windows is installed, and the second one, disk 1, is the new one which I have installed right now. So you can delete this volume and create new simple volume from it. You can create multiple partitions if you want, but here I am, for demonstrating purpose, I am creating a single volume and assigning it the drive letter E automatically. Click next. Here I will use extfat because I am using Linux also, so it will be shown in the Linux drives also. So if you want, you keep it as default NTFS. If you do not use Linux, you keep it the default way. You give a name for the volume label if you want, and click next and finish. So this is formatted and this is drive. Let me show you by copying some things so that you can see that the hard disk is working well. So this is working. As you can see, the write speed is quite good. Well friends, I hope you liked the video, and do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting notification for new videos. So till then, we'll meet in the next video. Goodbye.